Hello, I'm Jared Letourneau, and I'm going to be showing you my test cases for the project. All right, so here we have me logged into the Oak server. And so for the first one, it's just you find like list all the files within document pretty much. Just where it's the find where to look. And so when I run it, it'll output to my first output.txt file, and you'll see all the files in here. So we have like file 2 subfolder, file 3, foo, file 1, fifth output text, delete this. So that's for the first test case. And for the second one, we have where you can just name a file within document and it'll output to the second output.txt. So, and then I will run this one. So the file we're looking for, we can say foo, and then I can see what it put in the txt file. And you'll see it'll pull up all files or within the document that have foo in it. So there's a foo inside the subfolder and outside the subfolder. All right, and then we can check out and that's for find where to look name, the specified name. And then here we can do find 3. This is for find where to look the specified number of minutes. So the user just enters the plus or less than with a number to find a file, use less than or more than in time. And it'll output the third output text file. So we have to like use a document, of course. So we'll just go within the document. And if we want to open like file 2, we'll just do that. All right, we've opened file 2. Go back. And then once we run find 3, and then we can enter a number, so we can do less than 10 minutes ago. And then we can check the third output text file, output.txt, and we'll see, look, the only file we looked up was file 2 because it was within the 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes ago. All right, now we can find the fourth one, which is the find where to look by the inode number. And so all you have to do is just the user types in the inode to find that specific file, and will output to the fourth output txt file. So of course you have to know the inode file first. So you just do ls -i and then document to find all the inode of each file. So if we run this. So for example, what the inode that we want to find, we can do, let's do the fifth output txt file. So do 62652942. And then we can check our fourth output txt file, and we'll see comes with the fifth output txt file within document, because that's what we search for in the inode. And then finally for the next one, we can check find where to look the criteria delete. So we'll do find fifth.sh, And so here I made it where you read in either a file name or a time to pick. And so if you read in a file name, it would just delete that file. And if you want to pick a time, you've delete a file choosing within less than or greater than that time. So for example, we could do, to run the file first. So we have to first look through all our files through document. So we could say we want to delete the file called delete this. So we'll go back and we'll run the fifth find. And so we can choose by file name. So we'll say file name. Oh, my bad. It was no space. And then so we can choose delete this, and this should delete it. So we can check the document. And as you can see, there is no delete this file within the document folder. And so if we want to make a new file, we can do touch delete this, and it would make it again. And so if we go back, then if we run find find5.sh. So if we want to do by time now, we can choose by time. And we can say in the past, we can say 2 minutes. And obviously it can't find anything like that. So if we do less than, do more than 2 minutes, then we go back and we do cd document. You'll see it delete everything because it's everything past more than 2 minutes. It deletes everything in the file, in the folder, I mean. But yeah, that is pretty much it. There's no extra credit and there's no make file, but everything has comments within the code and everything. So everything should be good to go. Thank you.